I tested an AI tool to create high-CTR thumbnails for any YouTube niche. YouTube thumbnail creation is a vital part of reaching an audience and getting clicks on your videos. The equation is simple. Bad thumbnails equal no views. Good thumbnails equal potential success. This AI tool I'm about to show you takes the burden and high costs of thumbnail creation off your shoulder. So let's get started. The tool is called the Image Generator tool in the UniConverter. You can download the UniConverter from videoconverter.wondershare.com. Then open the image generator from the image section in the UniConverter. The workflow is very easy. You'll need a photo of yourself or your subject. Then you can choose from templates. Next, you can add a prompt describing what you want. Then just some output settings to finalize the image generation. So let's try it for different niches. First, for the music niche. I'll use this as my base image. When you select the template, you get a detailed automatic prompt here. You can always customize this prompt to make it your own. Cozy recording studio room with soft lighting. Caption saying now on Spotify. Hit on generate. And then here is our result. Looks really good, doesn't it? Okay, let's try another one, something travel related per se. For this one, I'll use this other image, and then I'll go with this template. For this next one, I'm actually going to use the prompt that comes with the template. All right, let's generate it. And here's the result. Absolutely stunning. And lastly, how about something sport related like a football fan channel? Once again, I'll upload this photo with a more expressive facial gesture. For this one, I'm going to write a YouTube thumbnail for a football-related video. Amplify the emotion and focus on dramatic actions with the caption, "I can't believe this happened." Let's generate it. Amazing. All three thumbnails turned out to be highly professional looking and something that viewers would actually want to click on. No matter the niche, great thumbnails come down to emotion, clarity, and style. And this workflow handles all three. If you liked this video and if it was helpful, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next video.